Testing, testing, 1, 2. Check it out. Welcome back to the Absolute Boss Collective. And in honor of Women's History Month, we're going to start it off like this. My hike sounds nice, check 1. My hike sounds nice, check 2. My hike sounds nice, check 1. My hike sounds nice, check 2. All right. In case you don't know, in case you're living under a rock, okay, that is a play on Salt-N-Pepa. My mic sounds nice. And in case you are living deep under a rock, you may not be aware that the Fed raised interest rates by 1/4 point. That announcement hit today at the wisdom hour, 2:00 in the afternoon. That was followed up at 2:30 by a press conference with our homeboy, Jerome Powell. So let's take a look at the market. How did the market fare? We had a strong day yesterday, Tuesday. We gapped up strong this morning. You know what I'm saying? And I was looking at that gap up and I was like, wow, this is crazy. Nobody even knows what's going to happen. Are they going to do 1/4 point? Are they going to do 1/2 point? You know what I'm saying? It didn't matter. And those gains held throughout the day. Okay? We're still not out of the waters, out of the dark waters yet as far as reclaiming the uptrend, but we are in a very, very, very good position right now if this continues. So on a day like this, that was so strong, I placed 17 trades, and 7 of them were calls. So calls are when you expect the market to go up. So I placed 7 successful round trip, meaning I bought and then I sold trades. The highest dollar amount I made out of those calls, the highest return, I made $78.97, almost $79 on one contract. Now, even with the market being up this strong, I placed 10 call trades, 10 put trades, 10 successful put trades, with the highest return being $202 or $203 was the highest return on one of my puts. Okay, so I made money both ways, up and down. Let's take a look at some of the news reports here. Okay, so there it goes right there in your face. Fed lifts rates 1/4 point and signals more hikes to come. Okay, I've read somewhere that they signaled 6 more hikes this year. Okay, so it's like they're probably going to be hiking at every meeting, or they're going to do, I don't know, larger hikes, 2 in 1. I don't know. Okay, so we need to be on the lookout for that. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, now there is this age-old adage, okay, that they say, buy the rumor, sell the news. So if you pull up any stock chart, primarily the major indices, and look at the last 3 months worth of action, it's been straight downhill, baby. You know what I'm saying? So I was thinking about that catchphrase, buy the rumor, sell the news. It's like they flipped it. It's like they sold the rumor. Okay? Everybody knew that they were going to hike interest rates. Okay? So it's kind of like you'll see these phrases where people will say it's baked in. Okay, so it's kind of like, we were prepared for that. And that's why the market rallied. despite all of the geopolitical drama that's going on, we still rallied. Okay, so I think they flipped that. Okay, let's see what else I got for y'all. Okay, now here's the thing. Here's the thing that I want y'all to really understand from this particular situation is that the actual announcement came out at 2 o'clock. Okay, so between 2 o'clock and somewhere after 2:30, I would say probably from 2 o'clock leading up to maybe the understanding hour, maybe 3 o'clock, the market began to slide a little bit. Okay. Now at 2:30, when Powell took the mic, remember, my hike sounds nice, check one. My hike sounds nice, check two. When Powell took the mic, okay, he has the ability, and it's not only him, other Fed people have done this. You'll see the initial announcement will come out at 2 o'clock. At 2:30, when they start talking and people start asking questions, then you get the real move. A lot of times people say the real move don't come at 2 o'clock. It comes at least 15 minutes later. Let's say he didn't have a press conference. So 2 o'clock, you'll get the initial reaction, either up or down, and then people will kind of digest the news and the market will settle and show you where it really wants to go. Okay. In the hood, we call that the pump fake. So between 2 and 3, the market began to slide. Okay. And maybe that's where I caught, the majority of these put trades that I did. I could have managed this better. I could have really made more money on the calls. You know what I'm saying? I could have did a better job on that. So I'm going to work on that. However, what I'm saying is sometimes it's not, you have the opportunity to play the market both ways, up or down on any given day. Of course, this day is an exception. I just want you guys to know that. Okay. So I just wanted to give you guys an update. If you want to know how you can make money, whether the interest rates are higher or lower, whether stocks are going up or down, leave me a question in the comments. Make sure that you're subscribed to the Absolute Boss Collective. Okay. Make sure that you like and share my videos. And most importantly, make sure you sign up for my $500 challenge. I am still rocking that. And I got a video coming out for you real soon. This is your brother in trading and investing, Absolute